Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up face or fingerprint lock to any chat. So if you want to secure any chat, let's say if you have some private chat, how you can do that? Open up the WhatsApp application, then tap on the chat you want to set up fingerprint or lock. Tap on his name here and then you have to scroll down. You can see this option chat lock. Just simply tap on this chat lock. Now you have to tap on this continue here, and now you can see it's asking to enter your fingerprint, or you can use numeric password as well. Let's say I am setting my fingerprint here, and now it's secured with my fingerprint. If I reopen my WhatsApp application here, and now as you can see, if I want to send the message on this chat, I have to enter my fingerprint. So when I enter my fingerprint, you can see this chat is open now. So that's how you can set up fingerprint lock to a WhatsApp chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.